The Megger DCM1500S is a multi-function clamp meter that can be used on all PV systems regardless of scale. The 2000 volt DC, 1500 volt AC, and the 1500 amp AC or DC measurement capabilities ultimately provide solar technicians with the perfect meter for any PV job. Prior to performing any tests, always be sure you are wearing the proper PPE to reduce the risk of electric shock. To measure PV system voltages, insert the PV/HV test leads into the bottom of the meter and turn the dial to the PV setting. The DCM1500S comes standard with high voltage test leads with MC4 plugs connected, as well as test leads for use with probes or crocodile clips. To test the current flow in conductors, first turn the dial to the amperage setting. The default amperage measurement is DC. If you're measuring AC current, press the yellow function button to switch the tool to AC mode. Then press the jaw release button and center the conductor in the jaws for the most accurate reading. The DCM1500S can also log the readings and connect to smart devices via Bluetooth. To learn about these and all the other features of the DCM1500S, visit the Megger website today.